So I'll be showing you how to change the camera in the practice arena in FC24. So from the main homepage, let's go ahead and open the practice arena. You need to come to learn to play, select that, and then a little sub menu will appear at the bottom. Scroll and select practice arena. Now that's going to launch the practice arena. Now while you're here, press the options button on your controller. A little menu will pop up in the top left corner of your screen. Scroll and you should see camera. Now with the camera highlighted, you can use the direction buttons, which is the left and right directional buttons, to scroll through different cameras that you can use in the practice arena. Okay, so you have classic, dynamic, tele, end-to-end, pro, cop, all these cameras. That's basically how to change the camera inside the practice arena in FC24. Once you choose the camera you want, you can now just hit the back button and continue with your practice session. Thanks for watching and good luck.